we did it. 10,000 subscribers. Huge milestone on the channel. Thank you so much. Thank you to all 10,000 of you who have subscribed, liked, commented, viewed, watched, shared, all the typical YouTube statements when it comes to being a YouTuber and everything. Also, beautiful view here in LA, you can see. Also, there's the Hollywood sign. Let me zoom in. Yeah, there it is. And I gotta say, let me jump down here, that when it comes to this channel, gone through a lot of different phases, I gotta say. Right now, here's the exact amount of money we made, so about $34,000-ish so far when it comes to having this channel for 5 years now, for about 5 years. And it's been interesting starting this channel as originally for my dedicated subscribers as a rideshare channel, talking about how to make money with Uber, how to make money with Lyft, how to make more money, technique-based videos about the requirements to be a driver, etc. And then it kind of evolved to like a blend of like a gig economy channel, right? Talking about different ways to make money in terms of the gig economy, like Uber Eats, delivery driving, other stuff. And then I realized, you know what? People seem to really like this making money thing, which sounds stupid to say out loud. And also, I don't drive for Uber and Lyft anymore. And also, I've made, I think at this point, about 600 videos about Uber and Lyft, which is kind of crazy. So I was like, why not make this a whole channel about making money in different ways, right? And that's kind of now how this channel has evolved in terms of me. If you look at the videos, you can go to my videos right now and organize by oldest to newest. And if you look at my oldest videos, it's literally me like in a car doing videos with like my headphones on or whatever, with the iPhone headphones. Like those are my old videos, right? By the way, you might hear some background noise of sirens and whatnot. I am, of course, outside, so there's always gonna be background noise. But starting off with filming my videos in my car with fully clean shaven, by the way. Now I have the full beard and everything. Let me know what you think in the comments. You like the clean shaven look or the beard look better? But start with those videos, and then I move to this whole kind of concept of not only different ways to make money, whether it's making money on YouTube, making money with cryptocurrency, making money still in the gig economy. I still do, of course, Uber and Lyft content, but also having this kind of meta perspective of documenting our journey to make $1 million on YouTube. If you go to any video in the description below, even on this video, you can see how much money we've made up until this point. So go to any video on this channel and see exactly up until the point that, that video was filmed, how much money this channel has made so far, but also the income milestones. Like right now we're approaching about, give or take, $15,000-ish away from the $50,000 milestone. So, we're slowly getting there. But it's kind of cool when you look in the description of any video to see the milestones of how long it took us for, the $1 milestone to make $1, the $5 milestone to make $5, et cetera, et cetera. And it's great. And I gotta say, I really appreciate all the support. I feel like this is one of those channels that maybe in the beginning did take a little bit to get some steam. Like I do have some videos that have gotten over 100,000 views. I have some videos that have done very well in the Uber and Lyft niche. But I've noticed that as I've started to do more videos about making money in different ways, as I've started to be more transparent about my earnings, like showing you everything. Like my goal right now, and I gotta be honest, is to maybe be the most transparent YouTuber when it comes to their earnings. That literally I'm never gonna leave anything blacked out, nothing ever hidden. I hate when you watch a video, and I've mentioned this before in my income reports, where I hate when you watch a YouTube video about how much this YouTuber made, and they have it blurred for like 20 minutes, and they yap about like blue is their favorite color and the history of their grandma's casserole, and you're like, look, you just want to see the earnings. And that's why in the beginning of every video that I do an income milestone report, I show the amount right away. And that's kind of one of my goals for this channel, so show in full transparency. But also, I'm not Mr. Beast, I'm not PewDiePie, I'm not Jacksepticeye, I'm not Markiplier. And I say that because I've never seen any other YouTuber document from the ground up, from the get-go, from not even being monetized. If you look at the income milestones in the description, you can see when this channel started and then when it got monetized, right? And my goal is to kind of show the entire journey from literally the ground up to getting $1 million on YouTube. I have no idea how long this is going to take. As you can imagine, I think the more steam this concept gets, the more views we'll get, and it becomes an exponential process. That's my theory, but I honestly have no idea. But nonetheless, it has been an awesome journey so far. And I feel like in this year, especially in 2026, I have a feeling things are really going to take off. It is going to take YouTube a little bit of time to understand that this channel is not just about ride sharing, but about other ways to make money. But I think as those algorithmic changes start happening more and more, I think things are going to skyrocket. But once again, thank you so much to all you 10,000 people who have subscribed. It really means a lot. We're at the 5-figure number when it comes to subscribers now, which sounds amazing. And this is only the start.